Hello student. In today's session, we have to learn use of Vernier caliper. In 11th standard practicals, you have to do one practical based on the Vernier caliper. Let me learn what is Vernier caliper, what is the use of Vernier caliper and how to use Vernier caliper. You can see a diagram and whatever you can see in a diagram, this apparatus is called as Vernier caliper. So this is Vernier caliper. Now, so you can see a labeling here. So this jaw is a smaller jaw and it is used generally measured for inside measurement. For example, if cylinder is there and if you want to measure inside diameter, inner diameter of the cylinder, then we can use this smaller jaw. Now you can see this is a bigger jaw and this is used for measurement, outside measurement. For example, the same cylinder, and if you want to measure outside diameter, then we can use this bigger jaw. Then you can see this locking screw. So this is one is the locking screw. Then this is a stem. This stem is generally used when we want to measure depth. If I consider this is cylinder whose depth we have to measure, then we have to adjust this stem inside this cylinder and then we can measure the depth. Now you can see this is a main scale. So this one is called as main scale. So it is given in the centimeter as well as in inches, which is similar to your geometric box scale. Now this is Vernier scale. You can see Vernier scale. You can see a small lines are printed here. Total 11 lines are there. The first line is a reference line, and after the first line, each line printed is called as a division. So total 10 divisions are there on this Vernier scale. So this is the introduction of this Vernier caliper. Basically, this Vernier caliper is used to measure the dimension of smaller objects such as diameter of wire, diameter of marble, sphere, the length of any glass slab, etc. Now, after that, let's see one measurement, how we actually use this Vernier caliper. So before that, the measurement, we must have idea about the least count of this device. Now here, least count of this Vernier caliper is given by formula smallest division on main scale. Smallest division on main scale. I will write it here. So this least count is given by formula smallest division on main scale divided by number of divisions on Vernier scale. Number of divisions on Vernier scale. Okay. Smallest division on main scale. You can see this is the main scale. So we start at 0 and at here 12 centimeter. So we are considering it in centimeter scale. Smallest division means the value of the line which is coming after the 0. It is 0.1. So smallest division on main scale is 0.1. And number of divisions on Vernier scales are 50. Sorry, 10. So number of divisions on Vernier scale is 10. So 0.1 divided by 10 and it is coming 0.01 centimeter. This is the least count of this device. So remember here the least count of this Vernier caliper is 0.01 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to take the reading. How to take down reading, that I will explain now. So you remember the least count is 0.01 centimeter. Now I consider one object is fixed between the jaws of Vernier caliper. So I consider this is a object whose diameter we have to measure. This is the diameter. I consider this is center of this object and we have to measure the diameter. Now, to measure this diameter, we have to note down main scale reading. MSR is main scale reading. VD means Vernier division. So main scale reading, from where we have to note down the main scale reading? So let I tell you, you can see this line. So this line is called as a reference line. With respect to that line or this reference line, touch on the main scale. Where it touch on the main scale is the main scale reading. So you can see it touch at this bigger line, which line is the line of 3 centimeter. So you can say that, so 3.0 is main scale reading. If it touch at 3.1, then 3.1 is the main scale reading. But here it touch at 3.0. So 3.0 is the main scale. Now, out of these 10 lines, which line is going straight, the number of that line we have to write down as a Vernier division. So now I can show the Vernier division by blue lines. So this is the first division, this is second division, third division, fourth, this is the fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and this is ninth, and this is 10th division. So total 10 divisions are there. Out of that 10 divisions, which is going straight? So you can see here, if you observe it very carefully, this line of this 3.8, it is matching to the next line exactly. So it is going straight. So 8, so this is a line number 8. So 8 is the Vernier division. So here Vernier division is 8. So 8 number line is matching exactly to the next line. So 8 is the Vernier division. Now Vernier scale reading, if I consider main scale is A, Vernier division is B, then Vernier scale reading is B multiplied by least count. So you know that least count of this device. How much is the least count? Least count is 0.01. Just we already obtained the least count, 0.01 centimeter. So 0.01 centimeter multiplied by 8. So it is coming 0.08 centimeter. Now total reading, TR stand for total reading. Total reading is what? Main scale reading and Vernier scale reading addition. So 3 plus 0.08. So it is coming 3.08. So 3.08 is the measurement. And this measurement gives the diameter of this object, which we fixed in a jaw of Vernier caliper. I hope everyone understood this. Similar way, whatever the object you want to fix, you have to fix the object in a jaw and you have to take the measurement. Main scale reading, Vernier division, then Vernier scale reading you can find out by that. Then total reading by addition of main scale reading and Vernier scale reading. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. So your likes, subscriptions are the motivation to make such kind of video. Thank you.